What's up guys? So today we are checking out this mini pocket printer. I would be calling it like label printer, and in case you're wondering why one might need a label printer, so for example I have this box and it has nothing on top, but if you open it up, inside this pouch you have the HDMI transmitter and receiver to make any HDMI wireless. And it would be nice to have a label applied on it, written somewhere that HDMI wireless HDMI or something like that, so that I can easily see in my accessories or my tech gadgets which one is which. And similarly, sometimes my wife or anyone sister puts things in a random box, so it would be nice to apply a label on it. So things like that, for that this one is good. So that's its purpose. And let's bring it out. It will work with your mobile phone and it is totally wireless, so it should be very easy to use on the go as well. So we have type A to type C cable, charges by type C, which is good. Let's bring it out. There were different colors of it available. I ordered it in green color, but you can order it in different colors as well. So you have user manual. What is this? Nothing, and nothing inside. So overall, other than user manual, you get type A to type C cable, a few centimeters, close to 20 centimeter I would say. And this is the label printer. It is in green color. We have some buttons here, type C for charging or power input. We will see if it has a battery or not. I am hoping it will have a battery. Yes, it has a 1200 mAh battery, so it works with battery, but you can still give it a power. It just takes 5-watt power as an input, so you can give it power from your laptop or even from your phone. It should work fine. What is this button for? So we have one button, this, and then we have this button, and this is where the label will come out. And I think you should also be able to open it up to reload the paper, if I am right. Let's push it. This is what? Okay, shouldn't it open from here? Give me a second to read out the documentation, guys. Alright, after reading through the documentation, you need to press this button to open up the cover, and then you also have a QR code for the app. The app name is Mark Life, and then this one is the power button. You press it for 3 seconds to turn it on, and it will also give you the indicator. Green means good battery, red, blinking red means low battery, red means some kind of error or out of paper or something like that. This is for charging, and this is where the paper will go. So let's press this button. Oh, it automatically pops out. So all you need to do is just press this button and it will pop out, and as you can see, paper is already there, and you can replace this paper. It's very cheap, easily available once you run it out. And these are sticky labels, so you can easily paste them because they are sticky labels. Since it is already there, let's not do anything and turn it on and try to first download the app. I have the iOS app and Android. Let's try it on Android. I usually find for some reason Android faster in downloading, at least my not this one, Play Store link. So this is the app. I'm going to quickly install it. Hopefully it does not take much time. While it is installing, and it connects with Bluetooth, so you don't need the internet to work with it. And there are some instructions how to connect it. Still installing. Alright, let's pair it up. Tap here to connect the printer, create label, scanning. Alright, let's do Bluetooth is on. Let's do the scan. Okay, let me first turn it on. 1, 2, 3. So we have the green light, which means battery life is already good. I don't need to do anything. And let's do the scan. Scan product. Do I need to do something? Identification label, automatic recognition. No. While using the app, allow nearby devices. Okay, it has already connected. I press the unlink button. Let me do it again. Unlink, which is weird, like it should be link, not unlink. So let unlink, and it automatically detects it. All I need to do is connect, and we are connected. P15 model number, it already detected it. Let's create a label. You will have different sizes, quick size selection. These are different sizes that you can use to print. I am just sticking with the default for now. There is a gap between each printer. Okay, size is selected. Now I can just write it, right? And there is a bunch of things, QR codes, like advanced, and let's go with the simple one for the purpose, because I will mostly be using. You can use image, date, label, line, shape, all those things are here. Barcode is already also here, QR code, all those things are here, but we are just going to use wireless HDMI. Right, that's it. And we are going to just print it. Let's press print. Then you have print density, up, down. You can further customize it, but mine is centered, simple text, all good. And that's it. You have a wireless printer, label printer. This is the cutter side. All you need to do is press it, like I think this, right? What is going on? Did I not press it correctly? What did I do wrong? What? So, how do I cut it? Let me see. People sometimes leave comments, you make professional videos, yet you don't know. I don't know because I don't know. That's the thing. How do I cut it? Create label, label size, safety, interaction shown in the field, put the head sensitive. There is no method to actually cut it. And I have wasted some paper as well. Let me just open it up and try to roll it back. Maybe that will work. And now I just want to cut it. What is this cutter for if it is not cutting it? And really? There you go. Let's do it with the hand. I did not like the cutting part. I mean, what is it? This is the cutter, right? You can see. Then doing it should cut it, not bring out new paper. weird. So let's apply it, and then I will take another print. Where is the see. What? So we have wireless HDMI, right? Apply it to wireless HDMI. There you go, just like that, wireless HDMI, right? Let's print another wireless HDMI and paste it on the bottom side as well. Okay, it worked. And what should I do? Let's bring it out and cut it like this. Okay, just twist it. We have wireless HDMI, right? And let's print something else now, just for the sake of testing and showing you how to twist it, because I think I get the hang of it now. Let's go back and try something different, maybe some image. No, stickers, as it has built-in stickers. What kind of sticker? 2025. This is 2025. Let's print this one, hello 2025. Okay, let's adjust it. Maybe pinch to zoom will work. I want to just zoom this area, and I want to get rid of the bottom text, right? And I want this one to be centered like this, and maybe a little bit like this. Can I get rid of you? There you go, right? Can it give me, I want to center it. Is there is a auto center, align, centered, right? Yeah, okay, let's print it. It is not centered. It should be centered. I want it to be centered. So we have 0 to 30. So why isn't align working? If I do center, nothing happens. What kind of alignment is this? I mean, it should automatically align it. Anyway, alignment doesn't seem to be working. I would like to align it simply. Some kind of guideline should have been available here so that I could have aligned it perfectly, but nothing like that. And see, it is still off. Let me move it right, left and right offset. Nothing is happening. This seems better. Let's print it. Hello 2025. See? Now take it and gently twist it just like that, and you're good to go. This is how you cut it. And where can I paste it? I'm going to paste it right here, and because this seems like this screen does nothing, so yeah, Let's see some other features. I want to see if it gives you any kind of how much paper is left or something like that. I want to see that. Device setting, disconnected device setting. So it shows you that it has 56% battery left, its firmware version, serial number, and shutdown time. If it doesn't do anything, it will shut down itself automatically. Minimum is 15. But one thing that is missing is that it does not give you any kind of paper related information, so you have to rely on this red light that is here. When it goes red, either it is out of battery or out of paper, so you manually have to check how much paper is left. It would have been nice to see the paper here, but still it's good to have. So let me know what you think of it, and take care. Bye.